Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor, 1914. Holla at your boy. Hopefully, you guys like my new hat, my Phi Beta Sigma hat, Blue Phi. You know, yes, indeed. I'm back. I came back here with another banger for my portfolio, a net worth update from January going into February. What you'll see is starting out at the beginning of the year, in January, I was at the lower 113,000, and I've been contributing to all of my portfolios. And as of right now, I am at 125,000. And with that, the market has been down. Just wanted just to preface that the market was down. I'm just gonna let you go over some things that I've done to let you know that I've been on top of my game, on top of my portfolio. Just go through some quick numbers real quick. I'm only coming for that number one spot. So this shows right here. It says that uh, so the return of all of my portfolio has been reaching is about 27.64%, and it is as they say. It is as I say that uh, they say that once you hit 100,000, then your portfolio begin to start to churn out those returns. So I wanted to compare myself to the S&P 500. So to go into detail, to compare myself. All right. Uh, so my Gilbane 401k has a 1 year rate of return of 26.6. My dividend portfolio has a dividend uh return. Has a rate of return of 26.36. My Roth has 11.43, and my rollover has a annual rate of return of 40.13. Cumulative rate of return of 27.64 altogether. Uh, Not bad, not bad. I wanted to also go over uh, some things that I've added to the portfolio to help me along the lines of cranking out more return. What you see here is that uh, always look at the bottom. The bottom are the stocks that I have recently added to my portfolio. What you see is that a new stock that you guys, if you've been following me, is that I've added Tesla. So I've added Tesla due to the robo taxi FSD that's going to be rolling out here in the United States, outside the United States. Uh, those robots, and I'm planning for 5 years, 10 years down the line. I'm pretty sure Tesla is going to be doing well. So I got it into Tesla when Tesla was free falling a couple days ago, and I basically just bought it. I pretty much bought it at different tranches at 348, 347, 346, and as it was falling, I was buying in increments of $200. That's what I did. I've added to my Meta, my Cloudflare. Cloudflare actually has been my number one stock that has been really helping me. And Palantir. If you know, you know. If you're a Palantir owner, rise up. And I've also been adding to my SCHD because I'm also a dividend growth investor. I invest for total return now that I'm 36 years old, but going forward, I also want that total return so that I can hit that $1 million portfolio within 15, 20 years. That's still my goal. Right here, within my Roth array, you'll see that these are highlighted, which means that I spent money. I deposited $500 into my Roth array. I put $125 into QQQM, $125 to SMH, and the same into VGT and VU. And now you're gonna begin to see me ramping up, me investing into my Roth IRA. My goal, not this year, but to eventually get my Roth IRA to about $20,000, and then I can really sit back and say, yeah, my Roth IRA is really gonna start to compound, because that's 26 years of just let that money sit and simmer and just a bubble, so I can hit that compound interest. My last portfolio is my rollover IRA, and I really haven't really touched this. This portfolio has grown from 15,000 to 20,000, now 25,000. I haven't touched anything. I'm letting Costco, Nvidia, Centos, KLAC, Vista. Those are my top five companies. I'm just letting those simmer and brew and just continue to grow and compound. And at the bottom, I'm letting these small cap slash medium cap stocks to grow. I'm letting I got into Palantir at $65.50, so I'm letting that grow. That's almost right here is almost at 100%. Aristonet, got that in there. Got Fortnet, and then I got Palo Alto. Just let those simmer, let those compound for 20, 25 years. And I can foresee this rollover IRA to grow to roughly, I don't know, 500,000, 750,000, maybe a million. Who knows? I definitely know that these stocks are going to compound like crazy. And what you see right here is I've been contributing to my 401k like crazy. Last you probably saw my 401k, it was at like $9,000. I've been contributing, been making money, and it's at 13,000. So overall, what you see is that portfolio value of 125,000, which I love. Also, venture into Empower right here. And you what you'll see is I like to go to Networth and go to investment, take out cash, because I use my cash as a balance too, just in case, like my emergency fund, just in case something happens. That's why I use my cash. Everything else, I dump it into just investments. I dump into investments, and this is what you'll see right here. What you'll see is that my goal for 2025 is to grow this to 100,000, and I am close. Last time my next video is going to be my dividend growth video to go up into detail how I change my investments, how I change my investments. But we could go into detail a little bit further of what's going on. Performance. What I can honestly say is that by me fine tuning my portfolio, I have been I outpaced the S&P 500 last year about 2 points. I ended the year off at 26, or I ended the year at 28% annual return, and the S&P 500 ended at like 24, 26. Broadcom really came in and clutch. So for the first, let's say 90 days, right now, my portfolio is up 4.71% compared to the U.S. stock market of 2.27 and a foreign stock market of 4.23. Good job, Cadero. Clap it up. Yes. Then what you'll see is that my holdings that's really leading for me to rock hard with is Broadcom. I can honestly say, thank God for me to invest in that 4,500 5 years ago. It's been that 4,500 Broadcom has been compounding, has been doubling, and it's been paying me dividends. I've been reinvesting dividends. I have 61 shares. I haven't bought any Broadcom since I want to say since last year, and it's been growing like crazy. Microsoft has been going up and down, not touching that. SCHG, I plan on investing another $1,000 into SCHG, and then I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna focus more on the stocks below. I'm gonna focus more on Palo Alto. I'm gonna focus more on Meta, getting my Meta up. I want to get my Meta platforms up to $10,000. I want to get my Cloudflare up to $10,000. I definitely want to get my Tesla, wherever Tesla's Tesla. I want Tesla to be at $10,000, Meta to be at $10,000, and then everything else along the way. I also invested to VU, the S&P 500. That should be right here, where VU is, right here. So in my taxable account, I have VU at about $2,000. I plan on using VU as my personal bank account, and each month deposit $200, $300 into VU, and that's where we at right now. That's where we at. We are at a. I have a net worth of about 133,000. We're clowning, we're compounding, and what I like to show with this is that, you see, it I've been just compounding. I've just been dumping money into my Roth, right? Dumping money into my 401k, dumping money into my taxable account, buying my stocks, and you see right here, dips, but then I'm growing dip, growing my. So whenever the stock market is dipping, I'm buying. Whenever the stock market goes up, I'm buying. And yeah, so hopefully by the end of this year, I hit a net worth of 150,000. And hopefully I can get up to 200,000, and hopefully in 5 years I can get my net worth up to like 500,000. I know that's lofty goals, but we'll see. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. We getting there. We making that money, baby. Make sure you look out for my next video of my dividend income that I made for the month of January, and my $74,000 portfolio, dividend stock portfolio. All right, I'm out.